So my name is Rebecca Blakemore and I'm studying my HNC in mechanical engineering, evening classes. I do 6-2 in work then on the days that I'm in college, so then I can go home, have something to eat, have a shower and then I get to here for 5:30. So it is perfect around my actual schedule and it's good. My assignments and stuff, like I do actually like the way it's done, and you get a lot of help as well, like when it's needed. Like if I'm really struggling with anything, the tutors are so good. And I enjoyed the fact that I could learn things at college but also be physically doing it in my like day-to-day job, and it just worked for me. A HNC is mentioned a lot in engineering in general, so I think it's like a valued thing to have from companies, and it's a perfect route. A lot of the jobs that are a little bit higher up the ladder, it's the minimum of a HNC. I really value my company and I think they value me, which shows in the fact that I've got my HNC and I'm starting to them little stepping stones to get up the ladder. I'd recommend it to a lot of girls. I just think girls can sometimes be a bit scared to go into that path, but it's a really good industry to be in because also you can go into so many different pathways. There's something for everyone.